All right, we heading out to the back shed with the air compressor. We can get that leaf spring car out. Y'all, the Leaf Camaro's been out here in the back shed. It's been off duty for a whole season. So let's look and see how bad it is. So you can see here, I got to rebuild my front bumper tubing here. Yeah, that looks okay. I'm wondering if we might put some new sheet metal on it for Rachel. But I've kind of told her, like, hey, maybe we need to go out there and run this sheet metal for a little while because you are a true rookie, and I got a feeling we're going to ruin this sheet metal. So we may just leave it and let her race a while before we give her her own color scheme. And I got a couple tires on this side I need to air up, and these over here, these H500s over here, they've been in the shed for a year and they're still up, so they've done well. Most of our work coming up is going to be definitely in this driver's compartment. Of course, we've got her a 15-inch full containment seat where mine was like an 18.5. And I think the steering wheel will leave where it is because we'll need to move her up and move her up to reach the steering wheel because she's going to need to move up to be able to reach the switches, gauges, brake bias, and all that stuff anyway. But I think I'm going to have to move those pedals back to her. I think there's some work there. And first thing really that's going to be is going through this thing and doing maintenance. Of course, everything is here. I left the headers with the car, engine midplate still in it, you know, see the radiator, whole 9 yards. Just drop the engine and transmission in. But we got to do a deep maintenance is the first thing. Pull all the control arms off, go through everything. Because, you know, I had run it that whole season, and so it needs a full tear down. We got to check this rear and make sure it's straight. So do all of that, but the first thing I do is get the tires aired up and get to the shop. Come on, babe. Oh, yeah. Here she is. Come on. Yeah, right up against that tire right there. Oh, that's winter right there. I figure we'll go right through here, and then I'll just loop around in front of the back door there. It won't be straight on the concrete, but it won't matter. I can straighten it up later. I'm gonna pressure wash it outside before I pull it in the shop anyway, because I mean, look, it's covered. So, all right, girl, let's get it. That's good enough. That's good enough. I can straighten it. It's on the concrete. I can straighten it up from there. All right. Step one complete. Check out my website, Dirt Race Lifestyle. I got a link to this. If these on Amazon, they are handy right here. That's good. Thanks, babe. I don't know why. We've been pushing by hand. We should have been using the gator the whole time. I know. it. Don't worry about it. Well, I'm excited to get the leaf spring car back in the shop. This is the best leaf spring car I have ever built. This is a race-winning car right here. No doubt in my mind, I could put Rachel in the winner's circle with the talent that I know she's got that's untapped. Plus this car right here, I know how to set this car up. I know how to make it work. I'm going to take y'all along the whole way for that. So make sure if you're not subscribed or you haven't got your notifications turned on for that, do that stuff, because there's a lot of good videos. We're going to go back through, show setup, show scaling. We're going to square the car. Next video is coming up on this one. I'm going to take the control arms off. We'll go through them from a maintenance standpoint. We're going to check the rear end, make sure it's still square, the leaf springs on the back, all that kind of stuff. That's all coming up immediately on this car. Then we're going to put the engine and transmission back in it, put it on the scales, show every bit of that the whole way along on the leaf spring car right here. We got to get all of this done in the next month or two, because our coil spring car, my engine machinist, he's got everything cut for me, ready to go. I got to go pick that block up, pick the heads up, because our coil car for crate racing, that engine, I need to get it back together. So we got a couple more engine build videos that's coming on it as well. We're going to get the factory stock leaf spring car done, get Rachel ready to go for us to go to several practices in the spring. Then we're going to get the coil car ready to go. So we're going to be mixing it up. Lots of stuff going on. Going to be really busy. But it's going to be good too, because I'm going to be showing both sides of it. We're going to have the leaf spring car, showing the details of it. I know how to make this thing win. And then also me, with everything I learned from the first season on the coil car, having the engine that we need this year, the Bullet. Yeah, this engine that we're building, it's going to be a beast. And then taking it to the big crate racing races and making that work, and finally putting that thing in the position to start winning races. I'm just super excited about this next year. So if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe. Great stuff going on right here. This is a short and sweet one right here, and we're going to cut it off right here, folks. See you next time.